to the illegal levies that they had levied.
Kisumu education stakeholders have come to the defense of head teachers of allegations they're overcharging parents by demanding remedial and school activity fees.
They instead accuse some politicians of interfering with the education sector.
They argue that some levies are initiated with the blessings of parents and board of management.
Those people who are saying those headmasters are wrong, they cannot collect money without the knowledge of parents. Therefore, we cannot stop the quality of education, the performance of these schools because of mere politics, mere jealousy. That critical jealousy must stop.
All the schools in this country have additional levies. This is because of the nature of the education system that we have in this country. That is one. Number two, the government doesn't provide enough. So let us be realistic. We want to categorically advise the Ministry of Education not to interfere with these teachers in any way. It is purely political, and they should really keep off. Let these teachers to manage these schools the way they've been managing them.
The PTA chair for the entire school, if such an issue comes out, it is purely for the parent in that class to see how they can discuss with the PTA chair so that they call the PTA meeting where those issues can be ironed out, not to bring politics which is going to demoralize our teachers who are really struggling.
Away from